everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. It is almost Valentine's Day and I absolutely love this holiday, so I wanted to have a special episode for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make an edible floral arrangement. I'm going to have some chocolate covered strawberries, chocolate covered Oreos, mix that all in with some truffles and beautiful red roses. And this arrangement is not only super fun to make, but it's also a really great and unique gift idea to give to your loved ones on this special day. For this project, you'll just need to run to your grocery store and pick up a few essentials to make this happen. I have some strawberries, raspberries, some beautiful red roses. I have my pack of Oreos. I also have some dark chocolate melts and white chocolate melts. And then to hold this arrangement and all the goodies, you'll need some kind of container, box, or like little pail. I have this box in my garage, just lined it with some tissue paper and then added some little cardboard pieces on the inside to hold everything in place. I'm gonna do that with some of these bamboo skewers. I'm going to get started with my roses, and first I need to cut them down to size. So I'm going to be using two different sizes of bamboo skewers for placing the chocolate covered strawberries and Oreos. So I'm going to use these as guides for how long the roses need to be. I'm going to cut a couple that are longer and some that are shorter. I have my roses arranged, and now moving on to our chocolate covered strawberries and Oreos. I'm going to be using Ghirardelli chocolate melts, and I love chocolate melts instead of chocolate chips because they set at room temperature and you don't have to worry about tempering them and getting them to the right temp. So I'm just going to dump these into two separate bowls. I'll have white and dark chocolate, and then just take these over to microwave them for about 2 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds until that chocolate is melted smooth. And while my chocolate is melting, I'm going to skewer my strawberries and Oreos. And now for my favorite part, it's time to dip these strawberries. So I like to pull the leaves back, or you could just get rid of them altogether and then dip them into the chocolate and kind of spin off any of the excess chocolate. And then I have this great styrofoam board that I'm going to prop these chocolates into. And if you want to add any sprinkles to the chocolate covered strawberries, make sure you do it while that chocolate isn't set yet. That will adhere much better. And for the Oreos, you want to hold the cookie and then dip it into the chocolate. And then I'm going to place this onto a baking sheet lined either with a parchment paper or a silicone mat. And once that dark chocolate is semi-set, I'm going to garnish some of these strawberries with a white chocolate drizzle. I'm also going to be adding some raspberries to the mix. For these, I'm just going to brush them with some gold edible glitter. Just put it in a little ramekin, grab a brush, and then just kind of dust the raspberries with that gold. And I'm also going to do that for some of my strawberries. Add a little bit of glitter to them. I also bought some strawberries and cream chocolate truffles that I put also on the bamboo skewers, and I'm gonna spray paint these with some gold edible spray paint. And this is the spray paint I'm using. I'm going to leave a link for this product in my blog post. And I'm going to spray some of this gold mist on my roses as well. My chocolate strawberries and Oreos and truffles are all set. My gold spray paint has set as well in the roses. Now it's time to put this together. Just grab the strawberries and then build into the bouquet. And that's it for this incredible edible floral arrangement. How beautiful did it turn out, guys? Absolutely love all the details here. The chocolate covered strawberries, the gold edible spray paint, the gold foil, everything comes together so beautifully. I'm going to include some of the products that I used in this video recipe up on my blog post, so make sure to go over there and check it out. I'll include some of the little detail things that you might not be able to get at your local stores, but they'll have them online. This is beautiful. It's perfect to be given away. Now, I do recommend enjoying the chocolate covered strawberries within 24 hours. They will start to release some juices, so if you're making this like the night before, keep it in the fridge and then take it out and give it the next morning, or just enjoy it the same day. I'll have all the details down in the video description box below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.